Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur a video in CapCut. So make sure to stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tricks to add a professional blur effect to your videos. So let's get started. Open the CapCut app in your mobile device. Now click on New Project, which is at the top, to add a video. And once you select the video, click on Add button, which is in the bottom right corner. To start editing, scroll over to the Effects tab and you will see these three options. So click on Video Effects. Now here you will find a variety of blurs that you can add to your video. For example, here is this halo blur. When you add this halo blur, it gives you a nice blurring effect that gradually transitions. Now if you want to adjust the blur, click on Effect and then click on Adjust and you will see these options to customize it. You can change the speed, you can make the blur effect slower or faster, and you can also adjust the intensity, making it more or less blurry depending on your preference. And you can see there are a number of other blur effects available as well. You can explore and choose the one that best suits your needs. And once you have selected and customized your blur effect, you can preview your video to see how it looks. And if you need to make any changes, simply go back to the effects and adjust as needed. And once you're satisfied with the video, you can choose the desired resolution, click on Export button, which is in the top right corner, and then save the video to your device. After that, you can share your edited video wherever you like. And that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.